Hey girls! So today I'm going to show you how I straighten my hair. Finally. So my hair here is all washed. It looks dry, but it's actually damp. And I'm going to start off with this Garnier Fructis smooth blow dry product. So usually I'll always start off with like a heat protectant or like a smooth blow dry type of product. This is just the one that I happen to be using in this video, but I actually prefer the Eva NYC one. I used that one time and I actually really liked it. It made my hair look really good. I never used it before that time because I didn't think that that brand would be good for my hair type, but I actually really liked it and it came out really fire, so I would recommend it. So this is how I straighten my hair. So I basically start off with like a paddle brush and I will stretch the hair, and then I will go in with my round brush to get it a little bit straighter. I don't really like my hair like bone straight nowadays. I used to always have my hair super straight, but now I like it to look a little bit more textured and like poofy. I just think it looks really cute like that, so that's kind of how I leave it. In this video I actually ended up going over my hair with like a flat iron because it came out a little poofier than I expected it to, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna make it a little bit straighter. So I put the flat iron through it, but this technique is so easy, you guys. I'm basically just stretching the hair. As you can see, I'm going through it with a big paddle brush and a blow dryer, and I go over it with a round brush just to make it a little bit straighter. So then after this I start with my flat iron and I basically flat iron the pieces that I wanted to be a little bit straighter. So I actually ended up going over like almost my whole head, so my hair came out a little bit straighter than I expected it to, but I really liked it anyway. So this was my outcome, and like I said before, my technique is, I feel like, is so easy. I have a lot of hair and I need an easy routine, so this was super easy for me to do. So if you guys try this and it actually works for you, let me know. And yeah, this is it basically, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.